Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech tutorials and tips. In today's video, we'll show you how to format Pendrive using command prompt on Windows 10 step by step. So let's dive right in. For this, we need to follow some steps here. Okay, so first of all, let's go to this PC. Let me double click on it to open it, and here we have the devices and drives. Okay guys, so here you can't see any USB flash drive or pen drive over here, so just insert your pen drive to USB port of your computer. So I did that, so here you can see, I have this pen drive over here, so it's opening. We just need to wait a little bit, so it's now opened. Let me close this window. And guys, before formatting, if you have something important content on your pen drive, you need to take backup of that, because after formatting you will not be able to recover that. So this is important, just take backup. After that, let me minimize this, and we need to come to step-by-step instructions, so we need to open the command prompt. So just go to the search bar over here and type CMD and just click on it to open this command prompt. And guys, you can also open this command prompt. Just press Windows+R key on your keyboard to get this run window and type CMD, and then click on this OK button, and you can see we now have the command prompt opened. Let's go to the steps, so you need to follow these commands. So here we have the command prompt. So the first command, we need to type this diskpart. We will use this utility called diskpart in order to format our pen drive. Just type diskpart and hit enter on the keyboard, and you can see we now have the diskpart utility opened. After that, need to type this command list space disk and hit enter on the keyboard, and you can see we now have all the disks you know listed over here. You just need to find your disk related to your pen drive. Okay, so you can see the disk 0 status online and the size is 238 gigabytes. So this is just the computer drives, not our pen drive. And here we have the disk 2 status online, and here you can see the 57 gigabytes. Our pen drive, you can see the size over here. If you want to check out your size, you know the size of your pen drive, you just need to go to this PC and just select your pen drive, right click on that, and then click on this properties, and here you can see the capacity. You can see 57.6 gigabytes. Because this is important, you need to select the correct disk. So disk 2 is our pen drive. After that, we need to select the disk. So let me type that select space disk and your disk number. Okay, you might have 3, 4, but I have this one, number 2, this pen drive. I need to type select space disk space 2 and hit enter on the keyboard. You can see disk 2 is now the selected disk. And after that, you need to type this command list space disk. So I'm typing that list space disk and hit enter on the keyboard. You can see here we have the star symbol, that means disk 2 is, you know, the selected disk right now. Okay, you can see our pen drive is selected. After that, you need to type this command clean and then hit enter on the keyboard. You can see disk path succeeded in cleaning the disk, and after that we need to create the partition. Just type this command create partition primary. So I'm typing the create space partition space primary and hit enter on the keyboard. You can see we have the message disk path succeeded in creating the specified partition. And after that, we need to select the partition, so default it's 1. So you just need to type this command select space partition space 1, so you can see partition 1 is now the selected partition. After that, we need to type this command format space fs equal to NTFS space quick. Here you can see we have the NTFS because it is more secure and supports larger file sizes. You can also use FAT32 or FAT. But I recommend you guys use this NTFS because it is more secure and supports larger file sizes. Then space and quick means we need to quickly format. So after you type this command, just hit enter on keyboard. You can see 0% completed. So it's formatting. You can see this part successfully formatted the volume, and after that, we need to active this pen drive. You just need to type this command active and hit enter on the keyboard. You can see this part marked the current partition as active. It's now done. And also guys, if you want to assign a new letter to your pen drive, so let me open this, and here you can see currently we have this E letter assigned to our pen drive. If you want to assign some other letter, you can type this command assign space letter equal to, suppose, if I want letter T, and let me type T and hit enter on the keyboard. You can see diskpart successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. So if I go to this PC, you can see we have the T letter assigned to our pen drive. You can see the drive is empty over here, and we have successfully formatted the pen drive using command prompt on Windows. Okay guys, and after that, you can close your diskpart utility, close the command prompt, and it's all done. So guys, that's it. In this way, you can easily format pen drive using command prompt on Windows. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing.